Hey, this is Jabbar, your real estate agent, and we are here in Mission Ranch. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the 1844 plan with Ranger Homes. These homes would be on the back end of Mission Ranch, and you can be able to see a lot of these builders here are kind of the sub 400s, uh, kind of the lower tier of this area. If you're someone who wants to move to the College Station, Bryan-College Station area, this is going to be a good home for you to be able to check out and see what the builders here in College Station have to offer. And they also offer to build in Bryan, so we'll take a look at those as well. So if you're new to my channel, thank you very much. Please like and subscribe. If you're looking to purchase, move, or invest in the Bryan-College Station area, please follow our page and reach out if you have specific questions as you look at this house, and maybe you want to have questions about finishes, incentives, or just the process in general. Would love to help, or click in the links below. But other than that, we're going to take a look at this Ranger home. It's a 3-2-bedroom, 1,800 square feet, and let me know your thoughts if you have any questions. Let's go. All right, we are here, and this one here is in the cul-de-sac. They do have some more available lots, and as said, Mission Ranch is a newer development. So if you're someone who wants to be in somewhere where it's HOA, have amenities, that has a lot of things to offer, have a lifestyle community, specialists who puts on a lot of different events, workout, lake, pool, a lot of different amenities within this Mission Ranch, this will be a good fit for you. So let's take a look at this Ranger home. So right when you walk into this house, you will be able to see the study room. This study room would just be a good office space for someone who wants to keep the eye out on what's going on outside, but also they are someone who works from home. So just that. I like the glass doors. That's a common thing in most of these study rooms. So as we leave there, we're going to go into the kitchen. The kitchen area does have your smart appliances. I love this black splash, built-in microwave, real nice and open. This is our pantry. Got some good depth there. And this is where your refrigerator will go. Then from there, it's an open concept, and so has your gas fireplace. So if we take a right over here, this is going to get us into the 2-car garage. So it does have your attic space. If you're someone who wants me to go up there and take a look at it, I do that very often. So just definitely let me know. Per request, you have your laundry room here. And then once we leave the laundry room, we'll come back into the living room area. And then we can hit a right. And this is going to be your extra bedroom for guests, family, or if you just have kids. So this will be right in the corner. So real good because it's the cul-de-sac of rooms, I guess you can say. So you have one bedroom, then you go in and you go into your second bedroom. Have some good closet space as well. Have some shelves built in. As we know, kiddos can pile up on clothes and grow out very quickly. And then when you take a right, you'll have your full-size bathroom. Have a tub, which is good. It's a good combination for guests or kids if you need to be bathing some little ones. And you bust a right, we'll come back into the living room area. Love this custom shelf that they have here. And then this will get you into your master bedroom. So before you go there, you have an extra closet space with a shelf at the top. Then you'll switch over from hardwood floor to your carpet. And then has very good spacing. I would say definitely can fit a king size bed and anything else. California, not sure. um, so this here will be your private stall. You have your his and her sink. Then you have your tub. The next area, you have your private shower. And then you walk into your good old closet that has the built-in shelves, which I love for shoes purposes, but just if you're someone who likes to put any other, your watches, ties, you can be able to organize that accordingly. So we'll come back out of here and take a look at the backyard, as you can be able to see that from the master bedroom. So we go out and then come back around this corner and you have your backyard. Now you have good spacing here. You have for seating, you have some outlets. So if you wanted to plug up your speaker to listen to music. Now you can see they are still doing some building in the backyard. So these will eventually be homes because this is a cul-de-sac right over here. So that eventually will be houses that will be built out. And this is the back neighborhood. Some of these houses have been built for a little bit longer. You can see they're still in the process. So it has some good depth. Go around. So as you are looking at homes, and even you've seen this one and you have maybe some additional question about certain finishes or what can you pick or what you cannot pick, definitely make sure you text me, my team, or call or schedule an appointment so I can be able to assist you and answer the questions that you may have and maybe incentives that you want to know more about. And if you are moving to this College Station area. So thank you for watching. I look forward to hearing from you. But if not, please continue to watch and see if you see a home that's a good fit for you. So, and we'll talk to you soon.